Hebrew Academy High School. And so for my starter project, I did the mini piano keyboard. But for my main project, I built a Jefferson entry gun. So if you just hold on 1 second, let me just set it up. So I chose this project because it has a lot of different fields of engineering. And if you look up here and down here, it's got some electrical engineering, it's got some mechanical engineering, and right here on this computer is some programming. And so just set it up and hopefully it works.
Fire.
So if you look, it's tracking him wherever he moves. So if you move a little bit to the left, and to the right, it's not moving much. It's only moving a little bit. But I'll show you. And it is. Now what I can do. This looks weird what I'm doing.
You should probably show the camera.
Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to show you that it shoots. So now I can move like this. So I'd like to divide it into 3 parts, which is also my 3 milestones and also 3 fields of engineering, so it's rather convenient. The first part is this electrical part, here and down here. So this part actually controls everything inside the gun. So these are actually, if you look over here, all the wires go inside the gun. So these little 2 boxes are called relays. And what they do is they're electronically controlled switches. So whenever the Arduino wants the gun to start shooting, it just sends a signal to the relays and it just makes it shoot. And the second part, which is the mechanical part, is this piece here. So the bottom part is just a box, and I can store all the electronics in it, but I haven't done that yet, so you can see it. And then if you look in between these 2 sections, there are 2 things. There's a ball bearing, so it turns nice and smoothly, and there's also a servo motor, which allows it to turn left and right. Then on here is this pole that attaches to here, and on the other side is another servo that can turn it up and down. So one of the other cool parts about this is that I live on Long Island, so in order to get home, I need to take 2 subways and then a train. So it would be a very, very big hassle to schlep this all the way home. So I made it so that it can completely disassemble and then get completely reassembled by taking this pole out and being able to take everything apart. That was a lot easier to transport. So then the third part is on the computer, which actually I can show you a little bit right now, is the image processing. We're in here. This is the webcam right here, and that actually looks at the video, and then it tracks all the motion so it can see where to aim. So there's you can't really see, but if you look over here, sure.
You have HDMI?
Show you one.
You have HDMI? No?
Do you press?
No, no,
No, well, that's up. Okay.
Move the laptop over.
It's very small. You won't be able to see much. Oh, I'll show you. So if you look, give it a second to load. If you look at this little square, I couldn't make it so much bigger because when you make it bigger, you increase the amount of pixels, and that sort of screws up the programming a little bit. But if you look over here, you can see focus family up here on the camera, and you can see the little red dot there. following up the motion. Um, okay, so this was a very difficult project for me. I came over a lot of obstacles, and I'm really glad that it ended up working here. So I got a lot of experience from this because this is my first project that I've done by myself in engineering, and I definitely learned a lot about the process of building a project and then not working, and then you having to fix every single problem, and then another problem comes up, and so it's a whole series, and I definitely learned a lot. I see we already have a question I'm even asked. Right, go ahead.
Actually, I have a comment. This is actually really cool because, like, if you're really bored and you want to have lots and lots of fun, if you're a kid like me, and you live in a wide open house, like there's secret, like you made secret tunnels and secret stuff so you have fun. And if you have your friend over, you can have a war with them, and they can bring their Nerf gun, and then you can. When this is fully advanced, like you don't need to fix anything else, and the webcam is much more bigger, you can actually spy on them, and then when you're having a war, you can track them down. When you're in one of your hiding spots, you can have the computer that controls it, and have the computer that uses webcam. So if they're nearby, you can just press the button to shoot, and then you shoot, and then you probably win the war.
It's a very intricate plan. I really like your idea. Any other questions?
So does it always have to come with the computer?
The answer is yes, because the video processing that it does requires a computer, but as a future modification, you saw what other people use and did it called a Raspberry Pi, which is a mini computer. So what I could theoretically do at some point is put all this on a little Raspberry Pi, and so it could stick right here, and it would all look compact, even though it's running on a